how a beginner in the stock market should or should not go ahead and acquire stocks. If you are a beginner, please remember fundamental rule number 1. There's never a better time to build assets. Why is asset creation important? Because assets provide you returns and also coverage as you go along in your life. If you save and set aside 10,000 rupees, that 10,000 rupees, if you want to invest in equity, there are two things to keep in mind. First, investing in the stock market, purchasing shares, buying equity is a regulated process. Now, what do I mean by a regulated process? It's not something like going out to an evening bazaar and buying stuff, bargaining for stocks, looking at supplier 1, 2, touching, feeling, smelling, and then passing on the opportunity. Some of these consumer behaviors also apply. It's a very highly regulated activity. What does regulation mean? The first word there, KYC. That KYC has multiple elements. Know your company, know your client, and you have to have a bank account. You have to have a demat account, and both have to be verified. A certain amount of investable surplus, and this money should not be money that you have taken out from your necessities. This investable surplus is money that you would normally have spent on a movie, on some casual impulse purchase, or ordering in huge amounts of food that you perhaps could have avoided. So this is money that you are diverting from non-essentials and not money that is essential to your daily life. The third major aspect after these two initial steps is to decide what to buy. There are 1,200 stocks on the National Stock Exchange alone. How do we decide what is a stock that you should purchase? It's not just the cost of acquisition of a share on a particular day. It is to do with what is appropriate for you. The right choice of a stock is something that takes tremendous amounts of research, tremendous amounts of effort, tremendous amounts of dedication and discipline. Who is looking at the headlines, who is looking at the Sensex being above 60,000, 61,000, looking at the Nifty and looking at all the headlines, all the news, all the chatter on social media saying, you know, hey, I made so much money, I purchased a home, I purchased a new car because I made money on the stock market, I got 40% returns on the capital invested. Remember, all of that is a lot to do with the results of tremendous amounts of effort and dedication. Do not believe that you will become a successful investor by leveraging, by borrowing money and investing it in the market. That too happens, but for a beginner, that is best avoided. Please invest with your own surplus money, because that will teach you lessons which the titans of the stock market have learned over years and years of patience.